Finding services and treatment for children with disabilities can be a challenge, and that just got a little bit easier for some families in North Georgia. Here's Latrice Curry with more in Eye on Health. Latrice?
Well, David, families in North Georgia say they often have to travel to Chattanooga or Atlanta to get the help and the treatment their children need. Now they can get that same help right in their own backyard at the Anna Shaw Children's Institute in North Georgia. Inside this three-story building at the Anna Shaw Children's Institute in Dalton is help and hope for children in North Georgia with developmental delays and disabilities.
We'll open so many doors for the children and the families of this area to be able to come right here to Dalton to receive the care that they need.
Jessica Truelove has a 5.5-year-old daughter with special needs. She says not only was finding care a challenge, but getting to her daughter's appointments could be difficult.
A family with a child with special needs, it's hard to load them up, load all the things they need, whether it's their wheelchair, their oxygen, feeding tubes. So having a facility in this community where they just have to go down the road means a lot.
Before the Anna Shaw Children's Institute opened, Jessica and other parents in North Georgia would have to travel to Chattanooga or Atlanta for most of their children's care. Now it's not only in their community, but also the services are all under one roof. Dr. Emily Brandt, a developmental behavioral pediatrician, says that makes a big difference.
We have not only the physicians who are doing diagnosis and medication management, but we also have the providers who are doing speech therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, behavioral therapy, counseling.
The three-story building is 54,000 square feet. Every detail was designed with the needs of children with developmental delays and disabilities in mind, from the floor to the lighting.
We started with the ground floor being like the floor of the forest, so it's done with colors such as grays and browns, and then all the wall vinyls look like you're actually on the ground floor, so all the wall vinyls have tree trunks. And then on the second floor it's like you're moving up into the canopy of the tree.
On the second floor is where you'll find all of the therapy services, along with an aquatic therapy room. There's also a gymnasium with a track designed for children with wheelchairs, crutches, or a trainer, along with other special features like an adaptive climbing wall and outdoor therapy area. At this time, the center is currently designed for children from birth through age 11. Doctors say the earlier children get tested and start treatment, the better.
There has been a great push over the last 10 years to increase the rates of screening in young children, to raise awareness and make sure we're catching them early when there is a concern.
Truelove is just glad the treatment is now a lot closer and more convenient.
So having a facility like this in our community that we no longer have to travel that far, whether it's mileage or just time spent in the car, impacts us so much because now we just have to drive 10 minutes down the road.
Well, at this time, the third floor of the Anna Shaw Institute is for future growth. Discussion is underway as to what services would most benefit the community on that floor. Now, their open house is coming up next week on April 16th. We have all of those details on our website. Cindy?